30 days ago, I gave my entire training program to AI. No apps, no coaches, just ChatGPT, my goals, and my schedule. Here's exactly what happened, what worked, what didn't, and the 5 prompts I will hand a friend tomorrow. I'm Miguel. This is Hi5 Fit, where balance and AI build a life that fits. Here's the truth about why I started this experiment. I was bored with every fitness app I tried. They all failed the same. Genetic plans, no personality, nothing that actually accounted for my real life. I'm a business owner, a veteran, a very busy person. I don't have 2 hours a day. I needed something that could actually work around me. So I thought, what if I just use ChatGPT, give it my goals, my schedule, my limitations, and see what it builds? No expectations, just an honest test. My goals were very simple. Maintain my weight, eat what I love, hit the gym 4 times a week. That's it. No extreme transformation. I don't want a 6-pack goal, just a sustainable system that fits into my actual life. So let me show you the exact 5 prompts that build my entire program. These are the ones that actually work. I got prompt 1, goal setting. I told ChatGPT exactly what I wanted. My weight, my schedule, my experience level, and what I was not willing to give up. Be specific here. The more detail you give it, the better plan it builds. Prompt 2, constraint setting. I told it my time limits, my equipment, and my injuries or limitations. This is where most people skip and then wonder why the plan doesn't fit their life. Prompt 3, weekly plan. I asked it to build a 4-day split that fit around my work week. It gave me push, pull, lower, and full body, structure, and logical. Prompt 4, progression. Every 2 weeks, I came back and asked it how to progress. More weight, more reps, different tempo. It kept the plan evolving, so I never hit a plateau. Prompt 5, form check. I described my form on key movements and asked it what I might be doing wrong. Surprisingly accurate feedback every single time. All 5 of those prompts plus 25 more are in my free AI fitness prompt pack. Just enter your email at hi5fit.club and they're all yours. No charge. Week 1 was interesting. ChatGPT built me a 4-day split and I jumped right in. Day 1 was a push session. Chest, shoulders, triceps. Honest reaction? Too much volume. I was sore for 3 days straight. Not the good kind of sore. The kind of where you cannot lift your arms to wash your hair. So I went back to ChatGPT and I told it exactly that. Too much volume, first week, back to structured training. Scale it back, and it did. Immediately. No argument, no ego, just an adjusted plan. That was the first thing I learned. AI is only as good as the feedback you give it. Treat it like a real conversation, and it responds like one. Week 2 and 3 is where they started clicking. The volume was dialed in. I knew how to prompt it better, and the workouts, they started feeling intentional instead of overwhelming. I made 2 big adjustments during this stretch. First, I asked ChatGPT to prioritize compound movements and limit isolation work. I don't have time to spend 90 minutes on machines. Give me the movements that actually do the most in the least amount of time. It rebuilt the plan around that immediately. Second, I started doing daily check-ins, just a quick message. Here's how today's session went. Here's my energy level. Here's what felt off, and it would just adjust the next session accordingly. That daily check-in became one of the most valuable parts of the whole experiment. It kept me accountable in a way no app ever did. All right, week 4. Here's what actually happened. Strength went up on 3 of my main lifts. Not dramatically, but consistently. My squat, my bench, my row all improved over the month. That is real measurable progress. Body composition similar. I wasn't trying to transform in 30 days, and I didn't, but I didn't lose ground either. I maintained exactly what I wanted to maintain. Energy and mood. This one surprised me the most. noticeably better, more consistent energy throughout the day, better sleep, less of that afternoon crash I used to get. The system worked, not because AI is magic, because having a plan, any good plan, and actually following it consistently is what creates results. The AI just made it easier to stay consistent. Let me be real with you about what AI got wrong and what it got right. Because this isn't a sales pitch, it's an honest review. What it got wrong, progression cues. Early on, it would add weight too aggressively without factoring in how my body was actually responding. I had to learn to push back and give more context. It also got mobility wrong initially. Zero mobility work in the first plan. I had to specifically ask for it and explain why it mattered for my training. What it got right, variety. I never got bored. Every 2 weeks, the plan evolved. Different rep ranges, different tempos, different movement patterns. That variety kept me engaged in a way I haven't felt in years. Time efficiency. Every session fit into 45 to 60 minutes. No fluff, no filler, just work. And accountability. Having a system I built myself, even with AI help, made me feel more ownership over it. I showed up differently because I helped create the plan. And if you want the full 4-week AI workout system with the prompts, the progression, and the form check questions to ask AI, that is the AI-powered workout planner. $27, link is below. Last question. Should you try this? Absolutely. Yes. If you have basic form on fundamental movement, you don't have any serious injuries that need professional programming, and you generally hate following cookie cutter apps that feel nothing like your real life. No, if you are completely brand new to lifting, in that case, get a few sessions with the real coach first. Learn the foundational movements, then bring AI to help you scale. For everyone in between, which is most of you watching this, AI planning is one of the most underrated tools available right now. It is free, it is flexible, and it meets you exactly where you are. 30 days, real results, no BS. That is the honest 30-day review. I let AI plan everything, and here's what I know now. It works if you work with it. Give it context, give it feedback, and treat it like a real tool, not a magic button. If you want my free AI fitness prompt pack, all 30 prompts I used to and refine over this experiment, just drop your email at hi5fit.club. Completely free, no catch. Most surprising thing AI got right, honestly, the variety. I never got bored once. Drop your biggest question about AI training in the comments. I read every single one of them. Save this video and share it with someone who's been thinking about trying AI for their workouts. They need to see the honest version before they start. Come be part of the journey. I'll see you in the next one.